Hello, guys, and welcome to another episode. Today, we are going to take a look in how you can remove the wheels from Burago and Maestro models that have brake discs in the scale 1 to 24th. So, I have as an example a Ferrari model, as you can see here. It's the Ferrari 458 Italia in scale 1 to 24th. So, as you can see, we have a system here with a disc brake. So I see many people asking how they can remove the wheels without damaging anything. For example, this one has a broken disc because someone pulled the wheel and broke the disc, and now I have it for a repair, and I will use it also because I'm gonna repair it. I will use it also to customize it for a friend since it's broken, and I'm giving the person a new one. It's better that way because I'm gonna fix this anyway and change everything, so I don't mind that I have this issue. But anyway, today we are going to take a look on how you replace you can do wheel swap and work with the wheels of that scale when they have this system. So this system has a disc brake that moves along with the wheel, and has a brake caliper that is fixed. And as you can see, they use this acrylic plastic, the transparent plastic, which is not very durable. So in order to remove the wheels, you have to be very careful. Here is the example of the front system. You can see how it is. Okay, so the wheel, when it's on the car, is like this. The disc moves along with the wheel and the brake caliper stays fixed. So this is a very delicate system. If you try to pull this, probably you're gonna break the base and the disc brake. So we can use the method that I made for the bigger scale model cars, which is to grab the plastic underneath the car without deassembling it. But because of this nature of plastic, which is very delicate, I would suggest to remove the body and then start to remove the wheel, because it's only two screws and it's very easy in this scale to remove the body. But if you don't want for some reason to do this, you can try to do it with the body on. I don't have the body right now, it's for painting and the sandblasting, so I have on the bottom. But I'm gonna show you how to safely remove the wheels from model cars like that. So basically, you grab with a tool like this. If you have with a thinner nose, even better. You grab this plastic, the gray plastic in there, and you turn the wheel left and right a bit. And when you hear the click, it means that it's on its way to get it out, and you get it out without any effort, basically, and without damaging anything. And if the wheel is on the car, you don't have to remove the, let me show you, I will put it back. So the wheel is on the car, you don't have to remove the axle to take the wheel out. You just carefully put the tool and grab the disc, and then you turn it, and then you remove the wheel. doesn't require too much force. And the front I remove it because I have to paint some stuff, so that's why it's off. But yes, that way you don't break anything, and everything stays in good shape. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it useful. As always, thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.